got this comfrey growing here along the bank, and it's doing quite well, I think. And I've had some requests from others in Thailand who would like to purchase comfrey, so I'm going to dig this one up and divide it up, and so it's in a state that we can send it, because it's an amazing plant. I originally tried to plant it from seed here in Thailand that I bought online and just couldn't grow. I bought 2 lots of seeds from different places. Turns out that a lot of the comfrey seed is sterile and it won't germinate. So the best way to propagate comfrey is by dividing the roots. So that's what we're going to do today, because it's such an amazing plant, and it seems that it is quite difficult to get hold of it here in Thailand. So I like to share good things, so that's what we're going to do. And I wasn't sure at first about moving it at this time of the year because the ground's quite hard. So I've been watering it for a couple of days, giving it a bit more than normal. And that's worked because the soil's nice and soft. It's not too bad at all here. And so I'll just carefully bring it up. I guess I could have cut it back first. Never mind. And once you've got a little bit of root, it just grows like crazy, because all of these came from just a small bag of roots with a little bit of crown on that I got given. So there's the main lot, but it's left behind some other parts of the root. So these are still in the ground here. And the thing with comfrey is you've got to make sure to plant it somewhere you're quite happy to have it, because it's once it's planted, once it's got these roots in the ground, you can see how easily they break off. It's going to sprout again. It's going to come up here again, no problem. So let's go and take this somewhere where I can divide it up, tidy it up, and post it off. And I'll just cut off all this vegetation because we don't need it, but that'll go straight in the compost. It's fabulous compost, which is the main reason that we love growing comfrey. And then I'll just separate out the roots. There's some nice big fat pieces in there, but I'll also aim, look at that, that's beautiful. So that's got a nice bit of crown on it already, some good roots. That will definitely grow, no problem at all. Planting this, even smaller pieces of it, these will also grow, but maybe 80%. So keeping a little bit, even small piece like that with a bit of the crown and even just a small amount of root should have no problem growing. So we will package these up and get them ready to send away to someone who's ordered them from seeing it on YouTube. And if you'd like to do the same, you can contact us via our website, which is suansook.com. Pretty easy to find. And just send my wife an email, and I'm sure she'll be more than happy to send you some comfrey roots, to sell you some comfrey roots. We're not giving it away. But as I said, it's the best way to be able to grow it. Very difficult to find here in Thailand, so we're happy to be able to now have enough that we can begin to share it, begin to sell it. So this plant is going to bring such goodness to your garden. It is a nitrogen, potassium and phosphate rich plant. It draws deep from under the ground and brings these nutrients to an abundance of foliage that make great compost or for chop and drop. And when it flowers, the bees love it. So there's good reasons to plant comfrey and love having comfrey in your garden. And if you'd like to know more about how I propagate it and what to do with it once it's at this stage, you can watch this video next. Thanks for watching all the way through. Cheers.